Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry I didn't really get to say anything during the video, but there was a bunch of people around. But finished up the lights from yesterday, the three. My coworker did two of them, I did one of them, and then he went and hung the frames, the square frames for the other two in the copy room, which I didn't get any video of. And then I made one of those up, and then went around outside and hung all the can light trims. But no one told me I wasn't supposed to, but I guess they have to stain that wood underneath the eaves or whatever, so hopefully they can paint around that. Otherwise I have to go back and take them all down or something, or maybe loosen them or something. So anyways, I got all those done except the four that we don't have. So that went pretty quick and they went a lot faster. It would have been a big problem because the screw holes were behind the wood. That probably doesn't make any sense to you, but basically there's a circle cut out for the can trims underneath the eaves in the wood soffits, and the screw holes to screw in the trims were not cut out. So basically just instead of using the bolts that they came with, basically just painted some screws white and then just screwed the screws into the wood, which worked out so good. And then from there I went on and did the 8-foot light. That's two 4-footers put together, and so that took the rest of the day. After lunch, cop car. So anyways, what was I saying? So yeah, I unboxed the can trims and put those together because you have to kind of assemble those a little bit. So I did that for a while and then hung the can trims and then worked on the 8-foot light. So that was my day. Might have been the fastest day in my life. At first I was kind of checking the time every once in a while, and it kind of went by half hour. And then I was like, okay, I got another hour to lunch. And then like 3 minutes later, the lunch bell rang. It was crazy. So that was awesome. And then I knew that light was going to take a while for the rest of the day. So super fast, super good. The light was tedious. I think I kind of need to move the light over like a 1/4 inch or whatever. It looks like it's slightly leaning. Looks like it's slightly off a little bit, so hopefully that'll just take like 5 minutes to fix tomorrow. Just take the cover off, pull the cover down, and then just move this screw over like a 1/4 inch or 3/16 or whatever. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget about the giveaway, which ends at 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, thanks for all the new subscribers for helping me out and supporting me. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys will participate in the comments, drop me a like, and anyone else new, subscribe if you want to help me out, support me, or also enter the giveaway. It's like 5 videos back, so just make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and drop a comment of which tool that you want to win. It's a tool giveaway, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks guys, God bless, have an awesome rest of your day, peace out.